Math Olympiad. Our class is Mathematics Olympiad. The problem is from Germany, Math Olympiad. It says solve for positive integers a and b. Look at this, a and b, and this is our problem. A plus 2ab plus b plus equals 22. Alright, I think the first step here, so multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, you are going to have here 2a plus 4ab plus b, no, 2b, yeah, 2b equals 44, right? So, and then here, the next step, add 1. Add number 1 here, you're going to have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b plus 1 equals 45. Right? Why 45? Because we added 1, number 1, right? Next step, factor. Factor here. You factor here, you see this number here, 2a plus 4a right here. You are able to factor. You factors, you are going to have 2a times 1 plus 2b, right? Plus 2b plus 1 equals 45. All right. So after that, just change here. Make a change. 2b plus 1 plus here 2a. This is 2. Yeah, 2b right here. Oh, and this is step 2a. Is 2b. Let's see. When you factor here, you're gonna have 2a plus, here is 2a plus 1. 2a plus 1 equals 45. So you're gonna have here 2b, no, times 2a plus 1 plus 1. You factor here. It says equals 45. This is factor. You factor here. We're gonna have 2b plus 1 times 2a plus 1. Yeah, that's right. It's times here because in the top you added. So time equals 45. All right. 45. So just organize in different order. Just write it 2a right here plus 1 times 2b plus 1 equals 45. All right. You see here, this is grade. Just write greater or equals than 3. Just write it greater or equals than 3 right here. Just divide by. Solve the problem. I'm gonna solve the problem, and that's on that side. Okay. I will solve it over there. I will write this. Change this number right here. Just write it. Just move it over here. All right. And let me write 2a. Yeah, 2a plus 1 here times 2b plus 1 equals 45. All right. So here, like I've said, greater, or let's write it greater or equals than 3, greater or equals than 3, and then we have the, because to find the factors. To find the factors here, we have 3 times 15, yeah, 45, and then we have 9 times 5 equals 15. So this is right, this is right, this is right, right? So now, after that, just write it here, 2a plus 1 right here, and then 2b plus 1, okay? Equals 45, of course, equals 45. So we have to, let me divide it right here. And then work in number one. So use the factors here. We have to use the factors. So use the factor here. And what is the factor? 3 and 15. These first factors. Okay. So we are gonna have here 2a. Oh yeah, 2a plus 1 equals here 3, and then 2b plus 1 equals 50. All right. You simplify here, you're going to have 2a equals here equals 2, because you move it 1 over the side, subtract, and then a is equals 1 right here. All right. And then here 2b equals 14, and then b equals 7. Right. We have the first problem here. So it is 1,7. First solution. Number 2. Let's see number 2. And number 2 we have so in inverse 15 and 3. So you solving like this, 15 and 3, we are gonna have 2a plus 1 equals 15, and then 2b plus 1 equals 3. Here is gonna be 2a equals 14, and then a is equals 7. Then 2b equals 2, and then b equals 1. All right. This is the another one we have here, and then 7,1. Right. So next step, number 3. Here 3. We are gonna have 9 and 5. Right. 9 and 5. You have 9 and 5 right there. 9 and 5. And then we have 2a plus 1, all right, equals 9, all right. And then 2a equals 8, and then a is equals 4, right. Here 2b plus 1 equals 5, so 2b equals 4. Why? Because 5 minus 1 is 4, so b is equals 2, all right. Let's see. So number 3, yes, equals 2. So the solution in number 3 is we have here 4,2. All right. Next solution is number 4. Here 4 is 5 and 9. Let me write the numbers. The red color is now 5 and 9 right here. So this is 2a plus 1 equals 5. Then 2a plus is equals, and then 4, and then a is equals 2. Then here 2b plus 1 equals 9, so 2b equals 8, then b is equals 4. All right. This is another solution. Okay. This is running over here, and then we have a solution here is 2 and 4. Right. That's the way to find the answer in this kind of problem. All right. So the answer then here, you write it here, the answer. So answer, you have the answer here. It's all these numbers. So we have so a, b. Here in this case the answer for a, b, a comma b. All right. A comma b is equals all those answers. So 1 is 1,7, comma, and then 7,1, comma, and then 4,2, and then comma 2,4. All right.